Hey everyone! So I've got some good news for all you folks looking for a job abroad. There's a company in Canada hiring housekeepers.
That's right. You can pack your bags and head to the beautiful country of Canada while earning some good money.
Now, this job is perfect for people who love to keep things clean and tidy.
As a housekeeper, you will be taking care of rooms and common areas in a hotel or something similar. Your daily tasks will include cleaning floors, bathrooms, making beds, and making sure everything is sparkling clean. But wait, there's more. You'll also need to be able to lift some weight, around 25 pounds. So keep that in mind.
And of course, you've got to have a good eye for detail.
To apply for this job, you need to have a high school diploma, and you should be good at managing your time and working alone.
Most importantly, you should be friendly and polite because you'll be dealing with guests. The salary for this job is pretty good. It's between $4,000 to $4,500 per month, and the best part, it's a full-time job, so you'll have a steady income. If you're interested, the job is located in Ontario, Canada.
So, if you're up for a new adventure and ready to clean your way to a new life, then this might be the perfect job for you.
To apply for this job, check out the video description below.
I'll put all the details there, including the link to apply. Good luck with your job hunt, everyone.